You search how to buy shares of STV Group Plc. This is a quick guide to STV Group Plc, a UK media and television company listed on the LSE plc under the ticker STVG.L. This content is educational only and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds to start buying. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker STVG.L to find the correct listing. Then select the result that matches STV Group Plc on the LSE. On the stock page, you can review basic company information and a price chart to confirm you have the correct STV Group Plc listing. Check the market details and trading currency before proceeding. To place an order, choose the Invest or Buy button. Enter the amount you want to invest. Review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or set as a market on open. And if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After confirmation, the position will appear in your portfolio, and you can track it there. Find the eToro link in the description to follow the same steps.